Don Rush here, West Coast Classic Cougar. Hey, I just got a couple of returns here, and these are returns from other customers that had their trim restored elsewhere. And this is a pair of 69 eyebrows, and the customer is just befuddled because they came back beautiful, and like 3-4 years later, look what they're doing. Well, the problem is aluminum like this was never meant to be chromed. They're dissimilar metals. So initially, when you polish and plate this, they're going to look beautiful. They're actually going to look better than factory, shinier anyway. They'll have a more resilient surface. Chrome is a tougher surface than anodized aluminum. They'll feel heavier. You'll feel like your part is all of a sudden better quality. But here's the deal: with dissimilar metals, the there's going to be a chemical reaction, and moisture is going to get back there. Look what's going on here. These pieces are actually being ruined. The longer they are encapsulated in chromium, the more corrosion that's going to go on there. So this is look at that scaling that's going on. When I send this in and they strip all that off and polish it, they're going to have to go down to clean aluminum, and this is going to be an unusually thin chrome or thin core when we're done. Even the backside, look at that, it just does not like that dissimilar metal bonded to it. And this disappoints me because anybody that chrome plates parts knows that, but they also know you're going to be happy for now, and maybe you'll sell the car and it's the next owner that has to worry about it. It'll last a few years, not more than 4 or 5. Yeah, look at that. It just comes right off. Yeah, these cores, I'm going to say, are ruined. It's going to take a lot of polishing to get down to that. The second one that I'm always battling is people say, oh, so-and-so can restore my parts for like 30% less than you, Don. Well, these aren't restored. Somebody has taken the time to get behind here and push out the dings and file and sand and buff and buff and buff. And again, when the customer gets this, it's actually going to look better than NOS. It's going to be a mirror-like finish that's just beautiful, and it's going to be less than what West Coast Classic Cougar charges because they're not doing the bright dip anodization, the final process. And when they do dip your parts in that clear anodization process, it actually dumbs down the finish. It'll get less bright, but it is a protective hard coating that is meant for aluminum and will last for decades and decades. You leave it out in the UV rays for 20, 30, and 40 years, you'll see some degradation. But the problem is you as an individual trying to restore yours or have somebody restore it, there's not many people that get that process correct, and nor do they just want to do 10 or 20 pieces. They want to dip 150 of them at a time in the vat, and then they all come out the same. So a little explanation on the process and why you'd want to use West Coast Classic Cougar to exchange your aluminum trim parts. We also do stainless and die cast and bumpers, so one-stop shopping. We are the only place in the world that has every piece of bright work on a Mercury Cougar 1967 to 73 restored on the shelf, ready for an exchange basis. Keep in mind, on certain cores, we'll give you extra credit. We're always looking for the hoodlet molding that goes in between these eyebrows. We're always short on those. There's multiple pieces that we would take extras of. So West Coast Classic Cougar, look at all our parts at cougarpartscatalog.com, and thank you for watching.